for the Specsavers girls to show us their stuff. It's sub 10 hours now, Mike. Time for you to become popular. T-shirts and caps. But first, we're going to bring down, along your finish line, racing in your 30-34 category. This is another one of our phenomenal age groupers. Here comes Jonas Rose. Unbelievable racing from Jonas.